Ever found yourself wrestling with the command line in Ubuntu? Perhaps curious about how to gracefully exit a process or looking for a common shortcut? Today, we're exploring a fundamental question: can we use Ctrl+C in Ubuntu? And what does it even do? The answer is yes. It's one of the most vital commands you'll learn. Let's explore it. The primary purpose of Ctrl+C in the terminal is to interrupt or terminate the process currently active. Think of it as a universal stop command. Consider a command continuously outputting data, like a ping or an update process. When you press Ctrl+C, you send an interrupt signal to the running process. This signal instructs the process to exit, allowing you to regain control of the terminal. It usually ends the operation cleanly. Notice the interrupt message after pressing the keys. Now, let's put it to use. Open your Ubuntu terminal. Initiate a continuous process, such as ping Google.com. Simply press Ctrl+C at any moment. The process will then terminate, and you'll find yourself back at the prompt ready for the next command. Ctrl+C is a simple but essential shortcut for navigating Ubuntu. With this knowledge, you're on your way to mastering the Ubuntu environment. Click subscribe for more tips now. Go use the command right away.